viewers, welcome to another video of SAP ABAP Topics. Currently, we are discussing about views in the previous video. Just see about the views, types of views, and now see for help view after activating. That means every view can be created. The process is in for all to create views, but after creating help view, we need to go to SC11, that is decode. Click on search help and go to elementary search help, and then select the selection method. That means whatever view you want, and in the search help parameter section you can click the F4 button by putting the cursor on it, and then add fields whatever you want. And in import and export section you need to provide the LPOS SPOS. That means the list position, whatever you want to display the output, that you need to select in the LPOS. And SPOS, that means screen position, whatever you need to take the input from the user, the screen you need to display, you need to select the SPOS, the numbers you need, and then activate it, execute it, and when you press the F4 button on the carry ID field, it shows the records, that means the fields which is consisting from two different tables. And for maintenance view also we have some another procedure. After creating, you need to go to utilities and TMG, that is table maintenance generator. You need to give auth group as ampersand NC ampersand, and function group equal to whatever the view you are created, the maintenance uname, and you need to select one step, and you need to click find screen numbers, and you need to propose screen numbers, create, and then save. And after that you need to open the SM30, that is table maintenance generator, then enter the view name, and go to the edit button, that is maintain or spectacle icon edit. Then mostly it's not edit. When you click the spectacle icon in data, it is for maintenance, and then click on search button. You can change it, and you can delete number data, and you can provide a new one, and then check the table whether the changes are reflected or not. That is about maintenance, maintaining the table. That means you can delete, you can enter, you can update the data. And we have some small concept, that is database utility, and the T code for database utility is SC14. Database utility is nothing but it is an interface between ABAP dictionary and the relational database management system. Whatever you enter, it will be stored in the database, and it works as an interface between the ABAP dictionary and the relational DBMS. That means to enter data at any database objects. Database objects can be anything: procedures, functions, tables, triggers, anything. So we will discuss more in the next video. Thank you.